Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to format dates in a Google Sheet from a Copper export. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to extensions right here and import the Copper data. Wait for it to load. The once it loads, start the new import and select the specific record. Okay, for example, people right here. All people, import data. Okay, wait for it. And then once done, as you can see here, we have the dates under modified column created and also last contacted. Let's just go ahead and use the last contacted column in here for this example. So click on the column, make sure that it is highlighted. And then once done, just go ahead over to format. And here, select number. Now go ahead and find date. Okay, as you can see here, we have date and time, or duration. Or if you want to as well, you can go ahead and click on custom date and time, like so. Select from one of these options. Okay, maybe just this one for this example. I'm going to hit on apply. There you go. That's basically how you do it. All right, and that's how easy it is to reformat dates in a Google Sheet from a Copper export. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.